The future of smartphones is closer than ever, and it begins with the iPhone 18, Apple's next revolutionary creation that's already making waves across the tech world. This isn't just an upgrade, it's a complete transformation of what a phone can be. The iPhone 18 is not out yet, but the excitement around it is unlike anything we've seen before. From design to performance, Apple is preparing to take a massive leap forward with this incoming model. Let's start with the design. The iPhone 18 brings a completely new aesthetic language. Crafted from aerospace-grade aluminum and next-gen ceramic glass, the phone looks and feels like a piece of art. It's slimmer, lighter, and stronger than any previous generation. The edges are smoother, and the back panel merges seamlessly into the camera frame, creating a perfectly balanced and modern finish. The iconic Apple logo glows subtly beneath the glass, giving it a refined futuristic vibe that catches light beautifully from every angle. On the front, the 6.9-inch Super Retina XDR promotion display promises an experience unlike anything before. With adaptive 120Hz refresh rate, HDR10+ support, and extreme brightness, the visuals on this screen look almost alive. Apple is said to have developed an even thinner bezel design for the iPhone 18, giving users more display area in the same size frame. Every swipe, scroll, and animation flows like silk. It's smooth, vibrant, and immersive beyond imagination. But the biggest excitement is under the hood. The iPhone 18 will feature the powerful A18 Bionic chip, built on Apple's most advanced 3nm architecture. This chip isn't just faster, it's smarter. With enhanced AI capabilities, it learns and adapts to your usage patterns, optimizing battery life, performance, and efficiency in real time. Gaming, editing, or multitasking, nothing slows this beast down. It's built for creators, gamers, and professionals who expect flawless performance every single second. The camera system is another area where Apple is expected to completely dominate the market. The iPhone 18 will introduce the Triple Fusion Pro camera setup, combining ultra-wide, wide, and periscope telephoto lenses with upgraded sensors. The new 200-megapixels primary lens promises breathtaking detail and realism. Even in low light, the photos are expected to maintain sharpness, accurate colors, and natural tones. Night mode, cinematic video, and portrait effects are rumored to be taken to a whole new level, allowing users to shoot content that looks professional without any external equipment. The iPhone 18's camera AI will also bring real-time scene understanding, automatically adjusting lighting, color balance, and focus to deliver the perfect shot in every environment. And for vloggers and content creators, the front camera is expected to include 8K video recording and upgraded stabilization, turning this